Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today finally it's not a review but it's a haul. So I'm just going to show you what I've purchased during the last week, and I would love to start with the new throw pillow of mine, and it arrived in this huge box. How cool is that? It was absolutely amazing experience to unbox it. This is my throw pillow number 3, and here it is. It looks absolutely gorgeous. That's my first time getting anything in this color. I already own one blanket and 2 pillows in orange color, you know, the classic color, and the second blanket I got it in like this light gray type of a color, and I've decided to try out to add a black and white pillow to my home decor collection. Right now guys, you can see the unboxing of this pillow that I've uploaded to my Instagram stories. By the way guys, you're welcome to follow me on Instagram, as well as you're welcome to subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. Another thing that I got, it's a soap. So I am a huge fan of like bathroom products, so I'm buying a lot of soaps. By the way, I love buying soaps as gifts, as well as like candles, Cartier candles, Louis Vuitton notebooks. You know, whenever we are invited to a hangout at someone's house, to a party, to be their guests for the evening, I love to bring these gifts because, you know, it's not too expensive. It's like $100 up to $200 per this type of a gift, and it's still luxury. It's still like, you know, a high-end type of a product. It feels good for me to gift this. It feels good for the person because, you know, it's not too expensive, but still it's a high-end brand and it's just great. This is the most favorite one. That's the Mandarin Ambre, and unfortunately they do not sell these anymore, unfortunately. So I have about half of that, and literally I'm just so greedy on this soap because there is no more like that. And now they're selling this soap. That's the new one. It smells completely different from the old one. I'm not a big fan of the smell of this one. It smells more like, you know, like old perfume, like Chanel No. 5 style, you know, this old like 20s, 30s, 40s type of a perfumes that used to be trending once. And I'm not a fan of that type of flavors, but I still love it because it feels great to the touch, feels great to wash your hands with this soap, and yep, love both of these. My next purchase of this week are gonna be 2 earrings by Van Cleef. I have no boutique in my state. This is why all of my Van Cleef is arriving by mail. I bought a few times from the physical boutique, but most of the times I bought online. So I've got 2 pairs of earrings, and ta-da-da-dam! These are the Alhambra earrings in onyx, in yellow gold, as well as I got the same earrings in white, the mother of pearl. I'm already wearing the onyx ones. Story behind these earrings is, well, first of all, I'm not a fan of short earrings at all, but most of the times I will wear my hair completely up and my ears are kind of out. So I do feel like once my hair is completely up, I do want to have like short earrings. That's why I chose these 2, mother of pearl as well as onyx, to wear them with my hair up. That's the story. That's the reason I got these. So the onyx ones, my husband gifted me these for our anniversary. We are having a 3 years of marriage anniversary, and that's amazing. I'm extra excited about that. 3 amazing years of marriage, and then I truly love them on me. So after my husband got me these, I bought the mother of pearl for myself as a gift for literally no reason. Let me try on the white ones so you could see. And here is the mother of pearl on me. Me personally, if you're gonna ask me which one I think looks better, I think white, definitely white, just somehow looks way better, way like richer, not rich like money, but like richer, like you can see more of the earrings, like they're kind of stands out more, even though they're completely the same size, completely the same model. The only difference is the color of the stone, like that's it. So I personally think the white ones looks way better. I feel like in mother of pearl is just prettier. Well guys, that was all about the jewelry, and now let's move on to my last purchase of today, and well, this is candles by Dior. First of all, I was so excited to receive this box from Dior for candles. So that's already luxury, right? And luxury is in details. You can see the full unboxing right here on your screens right now. And well guys, oh my god, I forgot to tell you all the prices. So this candle goes for around $200 for one candle, and I'm gonna keep it unboxed because I'm gonna gift this one next time I'm gonna go somewhere. Every single time I'm buying these little gifts, I'm always asking to wrap it as a gift, and the only difference wrapping it as a gift will be that they will add a blank note so you can write a card. They also gifted me this really cute cosmetics bag. It's made of like, you know, cloth type of material, and it's just like a cosmetics bag, but you definitely can wear it as a evening bag. Absolutely. Going out bag, why not? You know, you just maybe put somehow a chain right here and make it like, you know, a little bag of yours, little purse to go out. And now what I actually do keep for myself from Dior, it's this set of scent candles. This set is absolutely gorgeous. It smells so luxurious and it looks so very great. In my opinion, this is the most perfect, the most like pristine gift that you can ever give to someone. It's not too expensive. It's about $200 for this set of candles. It looks extra luxurious. It's extra gorgeous. It arrives in this like solid box and it's a magnetic closure and it's a set of 3 small candles. Smells absolutely amazing. I think this set definitely gonna, you know, like add this like extra beauty to everyone's house decor. So guys, that was pretty all for today. I hope it was nice to watch. Let me know your opinion down below in the comments. Let me know if you would love to see more. Well guys, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.